Hey, this is Brad with Nomad Cycles. I'm going to do a show and tell with a Surly Bridge Club. Just did a BBS02 conversion on it. I wanted to show you what it looks like. Alright, here we go. Here's the Bridge Club with drop bars. You don't see a lot of drop bar bikes with electric assist. I'm not really sure why, because I like them. The only trick is getting the throttle to mount on here. So you can see we mounted the throttle under the drop bar, and you can buy this same little doohickey. It's a piece of flat bar tubing cut with a semicircular shape to fit underneath the drop bar, and you can see these zip ties, not the most elegant, but it holds it on there really well. And then the throttle mounts right onto that tubing, because the drop bar tubing is too large to fit throttles. They only make them for flat bars, unfortunately. And also the thumb control ended up just leaving it kind of half open and zip tying it close to, but it's on there solid. They're both on there solid. I'm not going to hit that right now. Oh, it's off. Turn it on. So there we go. It's staying on there. So here it is, Bridge Club with the BBS02. It fits on there just perfect. Let's see. We got a little bit of clearance with the chainring. I did space it out. We put a couple spacers between the bottom bracket and the motor. And if you space it too far out, it leads to chainline problems, but this one's doing just fine. Let's see how the BBS HD works on there. But anyways, this is a beautiful example of what you can do for your e-bike conversion. We use these little stick-on cable guides for the gear sensor wire because it was coming down the tube there. And then you can see all the other cabling we've got all nicely wrapped up. There's always a whole bunch of extra wires on an e-bike, and we really like to try to make it look clean. So there it is, show and tell for the day. I would highly recommend this. This is a great bike, great conversion platform.